extra rating, y'all, but dip. But if you're watching right now and you're not subscribed, please subscribe.
Listen to that swinger, everybody do the Jerry Springer. Sharps come to mash up, it's a new melody on ya. Look ya, this a brother hot like a fire. I him set a pace ya, with them boom phrase ya, phrase ya. Yes, in a them hype up already.
Oh, hey there. Happy Easter, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Wait, 1 second.
And if them a figure on a hide from this ya one ya, this ya.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Live for the Experience. Yeah, it's Easter, so happy Easter wherever you are. If you don't celebrate Easter, have a good day anyway. But yeah, as I have Jamaican household, you know, I have to have something that in my hand to come up to her. Yeah, peace. Then you want peace? Yeah, peace. Kind of overexposed, but yeah. Today, y'all, it's Easter, so you know what's there? Fish up for run. Get the frying pan, pan the stove, prepare fast. Now how you do? All the girls who can't light stove, this is how you do it. Set the matches. I'm bringing a little closer. Come a little closer. So for all of the girls who don't know if light stove, you take the matches and you go to your knife, go out, and then you hold on the thing on the stove and it's move it around. Oh shit! You move it around until you put it on your desired setting. So we're cooking on low today. We're cooking on low today, y'all. No, because we want everything to simmer today. Who else did this? Y'all, this. Jennifer gets when I do this, but hey, if I don't get to smoke, at least I get this fake smoke a matchstick. Alright, so I'm gonna make the pot warm up a little bit. I'm gonna get a spoon for the butter, because the butter will go in the pan for use as what you call the word there? Anyway, the word there. We're gonna use the butter. Anything we're gonna use as for do in the bottom of the one pot, that we're gonna use the butter for. Y'all catching the vibe though, like I got this week and it's so beautiful. I had to wear it for this video. I always like to pierce at least one hole in my Scotch bonnet pepper because I like it spicy. So I take a fork and I just put a hole in here, or holes rather. And sometimes this doesn't even work to get the spice, but when I notice that it doesn't have any spice, then I'll break the pepper in half. And now we're just gonna work on the fish. So we finished seasoning the fish. This is them. Looks a bit messy, but hey, that's how we like it. Alright y'all, so this is how our veggies look so far. Well, not massive veggies, because I don't think okra is a vegetable, but this is how they look so far, simmering down, getting a bit soft. For the fish, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more butter in here. Alright y'all, so before we put the fish in all of this loveliness, I added the corns. Here they are. I'm just gonna open this pan of braised chicken soup. And make let's drain 1 cup. I don't know how much this cup is, but it's like a regular size party cup. And I'm just gonna fill it with water and mix this up and then apply the water to the whatever is in there.
Shaboom and open me again, oh life could be a dream. Shaboom and I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. but I want you to. Baby, we'd be so far. Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Ain't a ding dong. Plans would come true. Ain't a ding dong. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Ain't a ding dong. Plans would come true. Ain't a ding dong. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Yes, baby, yes. I like how it's looking, y'all. It's coming along quite fine to me. Turning time. So this is the beauty. This is how beautiful it is after it's turned. You can see like this side is like really soft right now. Really soft, so you could like poke it even with a spoon. But yeah, bubbling with beauty. Now it's time for the water crackers. I don't even see this properly. There we go. There we go. Yeah. So we're gonna put the water crackers in. And I already had a pack open, so we're gonna do these first. I'm gonna do about 10. That for like probably 3 to 5 minutes or less, and let the crackers get a little moist, and then bon appetit. We'll see you in a minute. This is what we working with. This is what we working with. This is what we working with. Yeah, so ready for the taste test? I'm ready, are you? If I pull this, it comes right off. That's how soft it is and ready. So yeah, let's go. Ooh, we got some coconut water in the building. There we go. So the food is all done and we about to taste it, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I know you already tasted it. But let's taste. Nice. Let's get the crackers in the cut. Come here, don't embarrass me. Wow, that was sick. There's some okra. I'm not exaggerating y'all, but this, yeah, let let me show y'all how soft this is. This is her. I'm gonna try to. Oh, look at that. So easy. So easy. And we got the coconut water in the cut. Refreshing. But anyway, y'all, what you doing this Easter? What you doing with your family? Are you with your family and at all because of the COVID restrictions and stuff? Today and on Easter Monday, I'm not with my family. As you know, I live in Barbados by myself, so I got Jennifer's in a room and I'm out here doing this video. Yo, if my mouth got messy, don't do anything, don't say anything. But if you're watching right now and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It says that at least 80% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. And I realize it's the same thing for everybody else's YouTube channel. I'm not sure why. But I know that if you're coming from Instagram, YouTube doesn't log you in, so you can't even subscribe even if you wanted to. You would have to go through this whole long process of trying to log into your YouTube. And then you could get annoyed because you're leaving Instagram and YouTube wants you to log in. And who has time for that? Not me. Well, so I'm just letting y'all know that I could relate to the stress of subscribing if you're coming from Instagram. Gotta feel for the bones, y'all. Gotta feel for the bones. But yeah, so I don't really have any plans for the Easter weekend. Honestly, 4-day weekend, and I'm just gonna chill. No, I didn't take the corn. Nice. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna end this video here. Happy Easter. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Thank you for watching. I love y'all. Like, leave a comment, interact with me, follow me on social media at Ramona Carty everywhere. But yeah, y'all, thanks for watching and have a happy Easter weekend with your family or whatever. Bye.
This are the rhythm. This are the rhythm. This are the rhythm.